Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm super excited you're here today because in this video I'm gonna show you this massive shopping haul for Patriotic Decor for 4th of July this year. It's going to be so much fun because I'm gonna show you all the stores that I've been to shopping and all of the items that I got because you know I like my decorating on a budget, so I'm trying to keep it low cost. So therefore I went to Hobby Lobby, Dollar Store, 99-cent store, and Walmart and Goodwill. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and while you subscribe, don't forget to turn the notification bell on because you will not want to miss any future updates. And then also, just so you know, there's going to be a whole playlist of all of the 4th of July decor ideas and DIYs for you to be inspired after this video. All right, let's get started. Alright everyone, so I want to start with Hobby Lobby because I think they had the best selection when it comes down to 4th of July home decor, and it's 50%, I think it's 40% off right now. So everything that you get 4th of July related or patriotic home decor is 40% off. And I did went ahead and got one of these sprigs of hydrangea because you guys know I use hydrangea all the time in my bouquets, my wreaths, even in my Christmas tree. So I went ahead and got this one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blooms for $15.99. However, florals were 50% off, so around $7.50, $8 for this whole bundle of hydrangea, which is a really good deal. So it's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about $2 a hydrangea. So that's a really good deal because this is a really good quality hydrangea, and I'll be using this on my mantle. I will be showing you guys on our next video how to decorate around the house for 4th of July, making it look elegant. So hydrangea is a must when I'm decorating for 4th of July. All right, so then to complement those bouquets, I went ahead and got these sprays. And how cute is this glitter sprays, you guys? I don't know if I'm gonna be using this on a wreath, a swag, or the mantle, but look how pretty these are. They separate like this, and every single star, it's wire. So therefore, you can really spray it out, therefore the name spray. And then make it look bigger. So I got these guys for $3.99. So basically 2 of them for $3.99, and this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package, and this is what it looks like when you sprig it out. I think they are so cute, and I cannot wait to use this on a future DIY for the 4th of July. And then I think I'm gonna be making a swag or a wreath for my front door. I already show you how to make that little basket, very patriotic with the flags. If you guys have not seen it, I'm gonna link it right here, right now, and then also in the description box below, so you can check it out. So for my wreath, I went ahead and got this red deco mesh. That it is $7.99, but it's a half off right now. All of the ribbons are. And so I'm gonna use this just as a base. I really don't like deco mesh wreaths, but I like to fill in with deco material because it really helps to cover the wreath form when you're making a wreath. So I got one because I think that's all I need for that. Then for my wreath, I went ahead and got some beautiful, beautiful ribbons. This is only $5.99, you guys. Let me see, this is 6 yards of it, but it's glitter. It is so pretty, really, really good material. And this is gonna look fabulous on my door or my wreath. So I cannot wait to show you. We're gonna be making a really fabulous, fabulous wreath that I'm super excited to show you the step by step. And then to complement this wreath, this ribbon, I'm already thinking about the wreath. I went ahead and got this one right here. Let me get the plastic off so you guys can see it really good. Look how pretty this look together. All that glitter, block, blue, red, and white. I just absolutely love it, love it, love it. So I cannot wait to show you guys what this is going to look like. And then they have these little bags right here. It's a two-piece. Let me take it out and see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. They staple it together. I thought this would be really cute for the centerpiece. If you want to replace the flags, did I show you how to make the centerpiece last video? If you have not seen it, once again, it's gonna be linked down below. If you don't wanna use the flags, you can use these little sprigs just coming out of your centerpiece. They come two for, let's see, $2.99, so $1.50 a piece plus 40% off. So they're really, really affordable. I think they're super cute, and the little stars, as you guys can see, they move to give it a three-dimensional effect, more like a starburst. So I cannot wait to use this on my decor. All right, then at Hobby Lobby, also they have these flags, and these are only $1.99. I'm gonna take them out because I want you guys to see how big these flags are. For $1.99 at 40% off, and these are gonna be used on the mantle, on our bouquets that I'm gonna be making for the 4th of July. And look how pretty. I think they need to be ironed, but I love the material. The fabric is really good quality. These are made in the United States. You get two for $1.99 plus 40% off. So that's quite the steal for these flags. I really recommend them. They are about 24 inches tall, and these are gonna look absolutely gorgeous on my mantle. All right, so this is all I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna get ready to show you what I got from the dollar store, so keep watching. All right, so these are all of the items that I purchased from the dollar store, and I really do think that they have a really good selection, especially because they're only $1. So these little bows, two for $1, I think they're super cute. They're gonna be fabulous in this swag that we're making for 4th of July. And I got two of them because, well, for 50 cents each, I cannot even make them with purchased ribbons. So we got two of these beautiful ribbons, very patriotic ribbons, and we're gonna be doing something with a swag. Then you guys have seen me use these little stars that I absolutely adore. They are like 10 of them a package, more than that. They're like 20 pieces a package for $1. I already use them on the centerpiece, and we're gonna be using them on the swag as well. So if you see this at your dollar store, I really recommend you get them. I actually bought a whole bunch of them for next year, so you know what, they're only $1, so why not? The same with these cute little flags. There's 3 mini flags. These are the ones that I used on the lantern video. If you have not seen the lantern video, it was so much fun. I'm gonna link it down below and also here on the iCard so you guys can watch it after this one, but I already used these guys right here. I also used them on the patio makeover last year for 4th of July. So I always try to get as many as I can because they really fly off the shelf at my local dollar store. And I got a whole bunch of them because, well, they're only $1. You know, Dave Ramsey would not be happy with me because I read today on one of those Dave Ramsey pages that he says just because it's on sale doesn't mean you have to have it. I have to kind of disagree with him. If it's on sale, actually I agree with him. All right, so then I got some of these garlands. They are super fabulous. These are going to be for a mini wreath that we're gonna be making. They are, let's see, it doesn't say how many yet, 9 foot a garland for $1. They have these cute little stars. This would look really, really good on a wreath on your door, and it is a very inexpensive way to dress up your door for only a few bucks. You guys, we're gonna be making a fabulous wreath, and I cannot wait to show you the step by step, so stay tuned for that. And for those wreath and swags, for all of my red truck lovers, these are only $1. So we're gonna be making something with this little track for your front door. These are super, super affordable, and you know, they've been doing it for like Halloween, for fall, for Christmas. I've never seen them done it for 4th of July, and I just think they're super cute. So for $1, go ahead and grab one. We're gonna be using it on a door piece. And this is probably my favorite, this tag that I got from the dollar store. I just thought it was super cute for only $1. I love it. It's going to be fabulous on the door. It's going to be very patriotic. And just remember to always try and keep them on the low cost, because you know these holidays don't last very long. And I'm always encouraging to like save on this DIY so we can splurge during the holiday season, because well, that's what we do during the holiday season. So only $1, go ahead and grab yourself one. That's all I got from the dollar store. Now I have a few more extra purchases that I want to show you, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, so I was grocery shopping the other day, and I always try and tell you to keep an eye out for your grocery stores and your convenience stores, because sometimes they have the cutest decor for the holiday season. And I was at my local 99-cent store, and they have these Patriotic lights that are gonna be so cute on the wreath. And what I like about them is because they're battery operated, so we can really use them on a wreath or a swag. And let me see if I can open this real quick. Open this way, okay. I'm gonna put some batteries on. I have not seen them on, but we're gonna see what they look like. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look at this, you guys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 lights for, let me see how much was it, $1.99. How adorable are these going to be on the swag? And it gives you the option of having it battery operated, so you can really just set it on a timer. It also has a timer, so I'm going to put this on the wreath so it lights up at night and it catches all the glitter. So I cannot wait to show you for $1.99. It was such a fun idea. And then also these mini rice lights, these were $2.99. Let's see, also battery operated. I love finding this kind of stuff at my local grocery stores. Let me see, I'm gonna borrow the batteries for this one and see what they look like. I always have a stash of batteries too, because I love all of this light up stuff. Whoa, look how cute is this. For $2.99, you can really whip this into a centerpiece. You can whip it in on your wreath, on your hanger, on your door. You can just whip it in on your mantle somewhere. So for $2.99, you get, let me see, does it say how many? It's a 6-foot indoor use only, warm white. So it's for indoor use, but I mean, the possibilities are just endless for these lights, as well as these ones right here. And then also I found these guys right here. Let me see if I can take them out. What I like about this one is because this is, I'm gonna save this for Christmas actually. They are these balls, they're like disco balls, and they have this light. These are also going to be fabulous, fabulous. They can be for the Christmas tree, they can be for a wreath, for a swag, even for a lantern. You can use this on your tablescape, you can use this on your mantle. I love the way this looks. I absolutely am in love with it, and I'm so glad I found them for only $2.99 at my local 99-cent only store. And there's going to be a giveaway with this coming soon, so stay tuned. I bought extra ones just to give you guys some when the holiday season comes, gets closer. So for $2.99, if you have a local 99-cent store, you get 2, 4, 5, 10 disco balls with a tiny cute little light inside of it. What a steal. All right, so that's all the battery operated stuff that I got. And then to set a beautiful table, you know I'm always looking for napkins and glassware and all of the things that you need. So I went to the Goodwill store one time, and I found this really pretty blue. You guys have seen this in the channel before, but I want to mention that they came from the from the Goodwill store. And I was at the Goodwill store a few days ago, and I found these red ones. So look how pretty these look together for 4th of July. This is going to be a way to dress up your table in a very inexpensive way, because I only pay $5.99 for 6 of these goblets, and look how pretty these look together. This can also be used for Christmas. When you're out shopping, I really recommend to just keep your mind open of all of the holidays and all of the times you set a table, and for $5.99, it's going to look gorgeous, and I'm gonna be able to use them all the way to Christmas. All right, well, that's all I have for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite thing to decorate for on the 4th of July. And if you do, because some people don't, and if you enjoy 4th of July DIY and decorating ideas, there's a whole playlist right here, right now, that you can check out. Consider subscribing. You can watch more videos right now. Until next time, bye.